Hey Stamp friends, welcome to the Joy Stamp with Rachel. I'm Rachael Coon and today is Fun Fold Friday. But it's a different kind of Fun Fold Friday. Well, I'm not showing you how to make a card, but I want you to cast a vote of which types of Z folds you want to learn how to make based off of these amazing demo swaps I have gotten this past month. All right, I'm going to show you each card, and then afterwards at the end, I'll have them laid out, and you can, and kind of a description of each one, and you can decide which one you want to see in the month of February. All right, let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to put them out so you can see just one at a time, and we're going to start with Cheryl's amazing card. This one right here has a little nice tie on. It says sending thanks, which if you want to see these in slow motion or still photo, I'll have a link in the comments below for that so you can see the name of the stamper and the stamp sets they used as well and some of their products. But right now we're going to focus on the layout and the Z fun fold for this card. All right, so it has this linen thread, so we're supposed to pull it to untie that cute bow, and then we start to open it up two ways. So we'll open it first this way, and we see this fun designer series paper, and then we're going to pull it back this way and unfold this beautiful scenic scene, which is just really, really fun how she created this. I love this idea and I would love to give this one a try. I haven't made this style before, so love this idea of this one. Made by Cheryl Holden. The next one's made by Cindy Hafner, and she used that fun hummingbird. She did some great dry embossing. And then she also has this really fun tree right here. The theme of our cards were to have thank you cards. And so of course in the inside, after we pull on the card, opens up to a nice little thank you right there. And it closes back up. Great card, pretty easy to make. And it has just one extra bonus score line to make that Z fold. The fun thing about this one is that it has a nice picture on the inside and something on the front as well. And then just that embossing is just gorgeous. All right, the next one is made by Margine Nation, and she used some of those happy hibiscus flowers where she's die cut them out and embossed them. She has the thanks for being so kind on the front here. She did masking was part of the challenge for this card, and she actually used actual mask that we had that she probably used her blending brush to do. And then her Z fold opens up this way. So we have a fun little side panel here to keep that looking clean across. But then it has the inside where we can do a little bit of writing, and she has that fun piece of masking paper here, masked paper there. All right, our next one is made by Natalie Wool. And this one is super fun. She has an embossed, that thank you right there in the middle. We open it up, and it's more of our traditional Z fold, kind of. There still isn't a one that's like a card base normal. This one has a 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 as the card base, and then the inside is the part that folds out, like a bonus part there. She did a great job. She did a little bit of masking right here. You can kind of see the color scheme that we have as far as the neutrals. Then there was a bonus card they sent me. Let me show you that one as well and put that into the vote. Oh, mine. I have that video for this one, so this one's not in the running. I already shared how to make this one. This is this pretty easy Z fold, and that was my swap that I sent out to them. The one she sent me, which is a bonus, is using a celebration item. It has that cute little seagull here, which you can get this stamp set for free during celebration. We have one more month of it, and with a $60 order. But cute little front here. And then what happens, you can see the 3 different layers. Watch this. We'll open the first bit. I love you more than French fries. So cute. We open it another one and has our inside spot where we can write a message. And you'll see that this also has that Z, almost like a W, because we have a couple, a zigzag of Z's here. This would be a really fun one to show you guys how to make lots of layers. We can play with the designer series paper and whatever image we want here for our focal point. But what a fun Z card that one is as well. All right, let's get these all back in the scene so you can see. And then cast your vote in the comments below. I'll look at them all up until Sunday the 2nd, Groundhog's Day here in America. And then I will let you guys know what we'll be making the following month. for our fun folds to learn how. I'll use different products, but just the same fold. All right, so we have our thank you star in the top left. We have our hey friends seagull here in the middle. We also have the floral, I'm going to call this the floral or flowers, and I'll know what you mean by that. For that Z fold, then our hummingbird Z fold. That's that fun, easy one as well. And then we have Cheryl's fun fold that has that seagull with the designer series paper, and it's a double open. It's the open this way and open this way. So let me know, cast your vote, tell me which ones you like in the comments below. Visit my blog for more details on each one of these cards. And then, of course, click to follow me so you can see more this upcoming month of which one we decide to make. All right, you guys, have a great day and happy stamping. Goodbye.